Good morning students. Let us review in the previous class. In the previous class we have learned about the method of finding square root. What are the types we have learned in the previous class? The first one is successive subtraction. Of odd numbers. Is it successive subtraction of odd numbers? And second one is ones and tens method. And third one is prime factorization method. Prime factorization. So successive subtraction of odd numbers means a given number we have first of all subtracting the odd numbers from the given number. When we get the remainder will be 0. When we get the remainder, the last term will be 0. We will continue this process is called the successive subtraction of odd numbers. Okay, and second one of the method ones and tens method. So first we have considered the right side of the number. We have to find out the square root. Okay, so after cancel the last two digits from the right side, strike out that. After find out the tens place. Finally we have added the ones and tens place, we get the square root of the given number. And for third one of the method prime factorization method, we make a pair of prime factors. Make a pair of prime factors. After find out the square root of the given number. I hope you have understood the three concepts of square roots. Okay, today we are going to learn about the examples, problems and exercise 3.2. Okay, so first to see the example 17 is 3528 a perfect square is. This perfect square and ketranga. If not, illena, find the smallest number by which it must be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square. So what is the meaning of the given question? So 3528 is a perfect square. Perfect square. No. Illena. If not, illena, find the smallest number by which it must be multiplied. So one of the number should multiply with this number, then we get the perfect square. Then we get the perfect square. What is that the smallest number and what is the perfect square of the number that he asked. Okay. See, solution. So by using the prime factorization method, by using prime factorization method 3528. So first is prime factorization method. First you have applied the smallest prime number. Okay, and divide it. So how many times 2 ones are 2, remaining 1, 2 sevens are 14, remaining 1, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table 2 8s are 16, again 2 8s are 16 and then 2 2s are 4, again 2 table 2 4s are 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Okay, so each one table is this, divide 3 table. Next one of the prime number is 3. So 3 1s are 3, remaining 1 14. Okay, so how many times 3 4s are 12, remaining 2, so 21. 7 times of 3 is 21. Now we got the 147. It's also a divided by 3 table. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, so 3 4s are 12. remaining 2. So 27, 3 9s are 27. So again 3 table is possible. We have right the 49. Next one of the prime number is 5. After next one of the prime number is 7. So 7 7s are 49. We have complete. We get the value was 1. Okay. So now write the prime numbers. Three, 5, 2, 8 is equal to how many times 2 repeat here? 3 2 times, is it? 3 times 2 and then 3 2 times and 7 2 times. So these are the 7 having the pair, 3 having the pair and 2 also having the pair, and one more 2 is not having the pair. Okay, 2 does not occur the pair. What is given? If not, it's not a perfect square, is it? So 3528 is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square since 2 does not occur in pair. Occur in pair. Okay. So which number multiply we get the pair? 2. 2 multiply. Okay. So now we have to multiply by multiply the given number by 2. Okay, then we get the perfect square. Then we get the perfect square. So write 3528 into 2, is it? The given number. Now we have to multiply the given number by 2. So multiply the given number by 2 equal to this side also multiply, is it? 2. Already had the pairs 2, 3 and 7. Okay. Now multiply this value 3528 into 2. What we get? 7056 is equal to these values. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now what we find out? Find out the square root, is it? Become a perfect square is the product. We will multiply the product of the smallest number is 2. We get the perfect square. We get the perfect square. So this is a perfect square. So thus 7056 is a perfect square. Is a perfect square. The smallest number. Find the smallest number. The smallest number. Which number we have multiply? 2. The smallest number is 2. That's all. Okay. I hope you all understood. Very, very important. Okay. So first, the given number is perfect square or not. If not, find the smallest number. Which number we have multiply the given number, we get the perfect square. That is the first question. Okay. So first, using the prime factorization method, we have find out the prime numbers, prime factors of the 3528. Okay. So 3528 is not a perfect square because 2 does not occur one pair. Okay. So now we have multiplied by the given number by 2. Then 3528 multiplied by 2 is equal to, we get the perfect square. So the smallest number is 2. Okay. Now see the next one of the problem. Example 18. Find the smallest number by which 6272 must be divided, make it a perfect square. Find the square root of the quotient. Find the square root of the quotient. The same method that question asking the multiplication, here division. Okay, division. That's all. See. So by using prime factorization method. Okay. $6,272. So 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3 are 6, remaining one 6. Again it's in 2 table. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 11, 5, 2 5s are 10, 12, 2 6 are 12, remaining 1 16. So 8. Again 2 table. 2 7s are 14 and then 16. 2 8s are 16, then 4. Again 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 table. 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16, and then it's also 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 1 2 9s are 18. Again it's 7 table. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. Like 1. Okay. So write the factors. 272 is equal to, what are the prime factors? 2 into how many times repeated? 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Odd number of terms, is it 4 7, and then twice the times of. Now pair. So here also 2 does not occur the occurrent pair. Okay. So 6272 is not a perfect square, since 2 does not occur in pair. Okay. So here which is given, find the smallest number by which 6272 must be divided. Must be divided means, so here 2 divided is given. Okay. So 2 divide panana, it get the perfect square. We get the perfect square. So in this place 6272 divided by 2. The smallest number is 2. That number divided the given number. Okay. So 6272 divided by 2, what we get? 3136. Hence the required number is 2. Okay. Required number is 2. 3136 is a perfect square, is it? Find the square root Now we have find out the perfect square. What is the perfect square of value? 3136. Okay. To make it a perfect square. Third one of that question, find the square root. So we have to find out the square root of 3136. So square root of 3136 is equal to, which are the values are given? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Already 1 2 is divided, so it's cancelled. So remaining value was that. So now we have take the square root. So we get this single value of 2 here, from this one to 7. So what is the value? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Therefore the square root of 3136 is 56. So what are the questions again? The smallest number. What is the smallest number? Hence the smallest regular number is 2. Okay. To make a perfect square, what the 3136 is a perfect square. Okay. And then we have find out the square root. So square root of 3136 is equal to 56. 56. Now see the example 19. Now see the example 19. Find the least number by which 1134 can be multiplied so that the product becomes a perfect square. Also find the square root of the product obtained. So the same method, the example 19. Okay. Find the least means smallest number by which 1134 centimeter be multiplied. So here multiplication is given. Okay, so we have first of all find out the smallest number. Which number we have multiplied with this given number, we get the perfect square. After find out the square root. Okay. Solution. So first, prime factorization method. So how many times? First, apply the first prime number 2. 2 5s are 10, and next 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. So 567. Again, no, it is not possible. So apply the second one of the prime factor 3. So 3 1s are 3, remaining 2 26, 8s are, and remaining 2 9s are, 9 3s are 27. And again 3 table, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and then 3 7s are. Okay. And now write 1134 is equal to, what are the factors we get? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here 2 does not occur the per. Okay, does not occur in the per. So find the least number by which this number be multiplied. So which number multiply we get the perfect square? 2. Okay. So 1134 is not a perfect square. And then since 2 does not occur in pair. Okay. So multiply 1134 into 2 is equal to 2 into 2. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3. Now we get the equal parts. Okay. So now multiply this value 1134 into 2. So here also 7. Yes. So one time. So 7 also not having the 2 and 7 does not occur in the pair. So here multiply 7 also. Okay. So 7 into 7. So what we get? 11, 54 into 2 into 7. Is it? So multiply these two value. What we get? 1134 into 2. 8, 6, 2, 2. Is it? So 2268 into 7. So multiply this value. What we get? 15,876. 15,876. Therefore, the square root now 15,876 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 3. Okay, now we got the equal pairs. Okay, now we have find out the square roots. So square root of 15,876 is equal to, have considered single values. So what we get? 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 42 3s are 126. Therefore, the square root of 15,876 is equal to 126. I hope you are understood this concepts. Okay, now move to the next one of the example 20. Find the smallest square number which is exactly divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 12. Okay, find the smallest square number. Smallest square number which is exactly divisible by 4, 6, 8 and smallest. So least common multiples. Least common multiples. Okay, so here first of all find out the LCM of the given numbers. Okay, LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 12. So you know LCM, common LCM method. Okay, so 2 table 2, 3, 4, 6, 2 table 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 ones are 3 and then so LCM of 4, 6, 8 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, so it's only having the pair. We have need the squares, is it? The smallest square number. So this only having the pair. Other two numbers not having the pair. So here 2 and 3 not making pair. Making pair. Okay, so we need to make a pairs. So multiply the number 2 and 3, we get the square numbers. We get the square numbers. So we have to multiply 2. Okay. So what is the value of here? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Okay, so LCM of this value is 24. Okay, here we have find out the we have to multiply 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 we get the value 6. Thus the required number is, the LCM is 24. Okay, so which are the numbers are here not having the pair? 3 and 2. So that number you have multiply in this place. So 24 into 6. 24 into 6. What we get? What is the value of 24 into 6? 6 4s are 24. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 144. Okay, thus the required number is 144. I hope you are understood this concepts. Now see the exercise 3.2. First problem. Find the square root of the following number by successive subtraction. Find the square root of the following numbers by the successive subtraction. See the first problem. The first option A is 36 is given. So subtract successive subtraction. So what we do? Subtract the odd numbers from the given number. Okay. Solution. So first number is 36. First one. Okay. 36. First odd number is 1. Subtract what we get? 35. And next write 35 minus second one of the odd number is 3. 32. 32. So 32 minus third one odd number is 5. 32 minus 5, 27. So fourth one of the odd number is 27 minus 7 is equal to 20. And fifth one, 20 minus 9, 11. Sixth one, 11 minus next one of the odd number is, when we get the remainder value will be 0, then stop the process. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Thus the square root of 36 equal to 6. The square root of 36 equal to 6. That's all. See the next one, B problem. 81 is given. So successive subtraction of 81. The first one, 81, subtract 1, first odd number. Okay, so 80. And second one, 2. 80 minus 3, 77. And third one, 77 minus 5, 72. Okay, and then fourth one, 72 minus next one of the odd number is 7. So 72 minus 7, 65. And fifth one of the odd number is 65 minus 9. Okay, so 56. And then sixth one, 56 minus next odd number is 11. So 11 subtracted from 56, what we get? 45. Okay, and see seventh one of the odd number is 45 minus 13. Is it? So 13, what we get? 2, 3, 32. So eighth one of the odd number, 32 minus 15. Okay, 82. 32 minus 15. So subtract 17. And 9 to 1, 17 minus next one of the odd number is 17. We get the answer as 0. So how many times have used the odd numbers? 9 times. Therefore, the square root of 81 is equal to 9. That's all. This method is called the successive subtraction of odd numbers. Okay, now see the next one of the problem 2. Second one, find the square root of the following numbers by using their ones and tens digits. Ones and tens digits. Okay. The first problem, that is, we have used the method of ones and tens method. Okay. So 1764. The first problem. Okay. See. So first, see the ones place. Okay, the first one of the point is the ones digit. What is the ones digit of the number? Given number is 4. Ones place is 4. Okay. So which are the numbers square? We get the ones place as 4. 2 square is 4 and then 8 square. 8 square is 18 18s are 64. These two numbers having the square, end of the ones place is square of the ones digit is 4. Ones digit is 4. That is the next point. Okay. The square root of 4, which are numbers, is either 2 or 8. Is it? 2 square is 4 or 8 square is 64. These two, either 2 or 8. Okay. And then third one, strike out the last two digits from the right side. Okay, strike out this 2. Okay, ma. So now write this word. Strike out the last 2 digits from the right side. From the right. Okay. We get what this remains 17. We get the, so strike at the right side. From the right side the 2 digits. So remaining 17. So now find out the ones digit already find out. Now find out the tens digit. Okay. So which square consists of 17? 4 square. 4 square value was 16. So 16 is less than 17. So other possibility, next one of that square is 5 square. Okay. So whereas 5 squared is equal to 25. 25 is greater than the 17. So more than 17. So we have considered this value. Okay. So fifth one, the tens digit of the square root is 4 square, is it? So 4. So tens digits of the square is 4. Okay. Sixth one of the point. Sixth one. So the square root of 1764 is equal to, the ones digit is either 2 or 8. Is it? 2 is possible. We will check. Okay. So square root of 1768. So tens digit value was 4. Tens digit of the square root value was 4. So ones digits we have find out the 2 numbers. Is it? So either 2 or 8. So the square root of 1764 is either 42 or 48. Any one of the number 42 or 48. Okay, the square root of the value of the number 42 or 48. So we have square it. Okay, so 42 square, what is the value of 42 square? So multiply 4, 8, 8, 16. So 4, 8, it's a 16. So we get the square root value. Therefore, the square root of 1764 is equal to 42. So இது இல்லைனா இது. Okay mama, so that is the answer. So 42 is the square root of 1764. That's all. Now see the next problem. B1 1444 is given. Okay. So one's digit of the given number is, what is that? Here also 4. Okay. Therefore the square root of the 4 is either 2 or 8. Now strike out the last two digits. Strike out the last two digit. What is the remaining? 14. Remaining we get the 14. So which number we have? Square we get the 14. 3 square is 9. 4 square 16. So more than. So first apply the 3 squares. 3 square value is 9. 9 is smaller than the 14. Okay. And then whereas the same method. Okay. The next one 4 square. What is the 4 square value of 16? 16 is greater than the 14. Therefore the 10 digits. Therefore the 10th digit of the square root is which one? 3. Square root is 3. Okay. So the square root of 1444 is either 32 or 38. Okay, either 32 or 38. So now squaring that numbers. (32) square. So 32, 32s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 4 2 10. 1024 only we got from the 32 square. So we have checked the next one of that 38 square. Here write 32 square is equal to 1024. It's not equal to 1444. So now check the 38. 88s are 64. 24 plus 6, 30. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 4. So we get the 1444. Therefore, the square root of 1444 is equal to which number? 38. That's all. Okay. Therefore, the square root of 1444 is equal to 38. This method is called the ones and tens method. Now see the third one. Third method. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay. So first one, A 33,844 by using prime factorization method. Okay. So solution. So how many times repeated? First 2 times. Okay. So prime factor first apply the smallest prime number. So 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are again 2 table, 9s are 1 6 1. Now this is 31 times. Okay, 31 31s are, so 31. So prime number, have find out the square root, is it? So the square root of 3844 is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 31 into 31. That's meaning is 2 into 31 is equal to 62 is the answer. 62 is the answer for this problem. And next one, B. 5625. 5625. Solution. What is that? First prime number is 2, but here the end of the number with 5. So we have using the 5, the prime number 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and then remaining 1. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 2s are 10, and then 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are, okay. Again 5 table, 5 4s are 20, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 table, 5 9s are 49, 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Now write the prime factors. The square root of 5625 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So the square root of this value was 5 into 5 into 3. So 5 5s are 25 into 3 is equal to 75. So answer is the square root of 5625 is equal to 75. I hope you all understood the concept of prime factorization method. Okay, now see the fourth problem. Remaining problems are homework. Okay, in a garden, a farmer plants 9260 saplings in a rows to form a squares. Find the number of saplings in each row. So plants வந்து farmer வந்து sapling பண்றாங்க in a row of from a square, form a square. So we have to find out this square. Okay, so square, so how many rows first of all make it? We have to find out the how many numbers. Okay, the find the number of saplings. Find the number of saplings in each row. Over row le எத்தனை இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay வாமா? So first you have to find out the square root. Fourth one, solution. So first find out the prime factorization method of finding the numbers. 9216, 2016. So 9216. Okay, so how many times? 3 3s are 9, and then 0 7 times, 2 times, and then 3 1s are 0, and 2s are 3 4s are 12, and next 2 table, 2 5s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are, again 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, and 2 8s are, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 2s are, and then 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are, 8s are 2, 4s are, again 2 table 2. Okay, now write So number of saplings 9216 is equal to 3 into 3. How many times? 3 repeated 2 times. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times repeated 2. So each having the purse. Each having the purse. We have to find out the square root. So square root of 9216 is equal to 3, 2, 2, 2. So from this pair we have write to 3. From this pair we have write 2 here, from 2 here. Okay, now multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 2s are 48, 2s are 126. Therefore, the square root of 9216 is equal to 126. I hope you are understood the today concept examples and exercise problems. Remaining we will see the next class. Thank you, students.